Hey, lovely people, welcome back to Quintus Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I love you all. So, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a self made shampoo. Actually, this shampoo doesn't lather, but then it cleanses the hair, it cleanses the scalp thoroughly. It totally cleanses your scalp without you even needing to use another shampoo. Basically, this is actually an Indian secret concoction. And normally the Indians they use fruit, bark, stems, seeds, and leaves to make their own homemade shampoo. Not that they have very long and very shiny hair. Actually, this shampoo is made from shikakai, amla, and Rita. I know Amla is very popular. Shikakai and Rita might be strange to some of us, especially Rita is a soap nut which foams, but then this overall concoction doesn't lather, but then cleanses the hair very well. Alright, guys, if you've not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. So the night before, you have to get your rose petals. It's optional. For this shampoo, you can also use orange peels or lemon peels for this shampoo. So it's absolutely optional. So I just got my rose petals. Normally, these rose petals are bought for my skin, but then I decided to use it for my shampoo. So I just used 3 teaspoons of rose petals. You can use anything, as I said. You can use whatever thing you want to use. Orange peels, lemon peels, whatever. So I got my rose petals, then used 200 milliliters of hot water, not warm water, hot water, so that it actually makes the rose petals to change from dry petals to what we see now. So that we get all the ingredients. You know what I mean? All the ingredients from the rose petals. See how the water has changed now. Now transfer the water into a glass container. So there is where we are going to put our shikakai, rita, and amla. Here is a mixture of shikakai, rita, and amla. So I'm going to use 5 teaspoons for 200 milliliters of hot water together with your rose petals or orange peelings or whatever. So just mix and then allow it overnight. So this mixture was done overnight. That's why you see the camera. Yeah, the camera is a little bit darkish, and for what I see, it's kind of dark. Yeah, that's because I did this mixture overnight, went to bed in the morning, and now use on my hair as my self-made shampoo. So that is what I just used 5 teaspoons of amla in here.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding,
You see how foamy it looks like? Thanks to Rita and Shikakai. Let's sit overnight. Now the next day, get everything set. Get your cheesecloth or your sock. I have cheesecloth, but then I prefer using the sock because it kind of extracts every tiny residue. So I don't want that. So I prefer to use the sock. You can use a cheesecloth if you want. So I'm just going to extract to separate my water from the residue, and then my self-made shampoo is set.
cause you got me holding, holding. Cause
And that's actually the end of this video. Keep watching because I'm going to show you guys how I apply that on my hair. As seen at the beginning of this video, I put a short video at the beginning here where I showed you guys how I was applying this on my hair and I was massaging it into my scalp. It's very important. While applying this on your hair, you have to massage it into your scalp gradually for 4 minutes continuously, or for 2 minutes if you wish, and then let it sit for some time while you're taking your shower, then rinse it off completely. When using the shampoo, you necessarily don't have to deep condition after this, because this is a very good shampoo that cleanses your hair and also leaves your hair soft and manageable. So after this, you necessarily don't need to deep condition your hair. Just this is good to go, and then you apply your oil and leave-in conditioner. That's exactly what I did. After this, I applied my self-made butter. I have a video on that on my channel. You can check that out if you wish to. You will love it. It's super rich. I also had some few teaspoons of shikaka in that butter. I had fenugreek. I had henna and fenugreek powder and Liang Lang essential oils. Here you see my set of essential oils. I really love. I have lavender, I have lemon, I have rosemary, I have tea tree oil. There's so many of them I have here. This is a set of actually 10 essential oils. But for this concoction or for this shampoo, I'm going to use just two. I'm going to use just rosemary and lavender for my I was actually taking no, I was actually put Yang Lang, but no, I didn't put Yang Lang. I just took two essential oils, just rosemary and lavender, and I love the smell of lavender. I really love. Yang Lang is also good. It has one kind of fruity, flowery smell, but I didn't use it for this. I actually used Yang Lang for my self-made butter, but for this I use just rosemary and lavender.
And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please?
I really love how it smells. Oh my god, it's so soothing, so soft.
Making me stronger. Stay or be What can I do to make you stay a little longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making